Guys, welcome back to my channel. So this time we are going to talk about something different, something about our life. Okay, so I am an 11th ISC grader now, but I don't have my 11th books now, so I think I am free now. Yes, I'm free now. When okay, let's share something. When we were in 10th, we were like we were so busy, our sleep schedule became like worse. Okay, we didn't have enough time for ourselves. We literally forgot what we like to do, especially the people who studied the whole year, showed every day up, worked hard. But bro, now it's time to do something for yourself, right? Okay, so you have seen many YouTubers right now who are just guiding you to start studying for 11th. 11th is hard, but it is hard. Okay, like I have not studied right now, but it is hard, I think. But can we take a minute to appreciate ourselves, right? So what we can do is um, we can we can have the time for ourselves, because after just 1 year we have to re-prepare for our 12th boards, right? So for that, peaceful mind is really important, which we have realized in the 10th. So for that peaceful mind, we have 1 year. We can make things really nice, we can make things peaceful. Okay, so for making things peaceful, I have one thing: to keep your mind calm, to keep your life tracked, what you are doing, to transform yourself completely in this 20 days, I have a solution. So, this is my journal. You don't need to have any fancy journal or something, you just need to have one notebook where you can prepare your own journal. Okay, so this is a 120-day challenge. Okay, here are the things you're gonna transform. Like when we were in 10th, we dreamt of a life, right? We all dreamt of a life कि हमारी लाइफ ऐसी होगी, एग्ज़ाम्स के बाद वैसी होगी, पर वैसा कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है, राइट? सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज़ कि आपको जो जो करना है, आपने सोचा होगा वी विल डू स्किन केयर, वी विल एन्जॉय आवर सेल्फ, कुछ न कुछ देखा होगा कि वी विल play cricket, we'll play different games, we'll learn a new skill. So are you gonna do that? No, right? Most of we are not that disciplined to be on the same pace, same way. Okay, so this is your journal to keep you tracked, to keep you disciplined. Okay, so here are my goals. Okay, and here are the dates. So this challenge is gonna start from 5th of April to 5th of August, 120 days. Okay, so my dream was to wake up early, to like pace off my sleep schedule, then do the नाम जप गीता, then one healthy habit, इसके बारे में हम बाद में बात करेंगे. Then was I consistent, was I disciplined, did I learn or grew what I studied, and did I studied actually, and then affirmations, gratitude or mistakes, or what you learned about life, all here. Okay, so here you can write ki I like this about today, I'm very thankful for this, I did this mistake, I promise that I won't do it later on, and this is I learned. So you can by method you can track your life, right? You can track yourself, what you are doing, where your time is going, right? So make a journal like this and just tick it out what you did today, as you'll get to know कि आपने जो प्लान करा था क्या आप एक्चुअल में वो चीज़ कर रहे हो, राइट? एंड नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द healthy habits we talked about. Okay, so this is my journal. um, I bought it from a shop. Okay, you can just any journal. Okay, there are healthy habits. So I do like content creation, writing, I love writing. Okay, सेल्फ केयर, क्योंकि 10th में तो बहुत ही कम, मतलब कुछ भी नहीं करा था मैंने. एंड देन आई लव रीडिंग टू. सो हेयर आर माई हेल्दी हैबिट्स, एंड आई जस्ट जैन से तो स्टार्ट नहीं कर पाए थे, देन फेब से भी नहीं हो पाया था. अब अप्रैल और 5th से हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. एंड हेयर आर द कलर्स, जो कि जैसे मैंने आज कंटेंट क्रिएशन करा तो मैं यहाँ पे येलो कलर से मार्क कर दूँगी, ठीक है? सो दीज आर द हैबिट्स. सो आप ऐसा अपना भी बना सकते हैं, या फिर अपनी कोई भी हैबिट आप लिख सकते हैं कि दीज आर माई 4 हैबिट्स एंड आई डिड दिस टुडे, आई डिड दैट टुडे. ठीक है। तो इस तरीके से आप अपनी हेल्दी हैबिट्स को भी मेंटेन कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। You can track your life and transform it completely, okay. And I have one more diary, one more journal like this, very like easy, right, very not very fancy journal. I made this actually, okay. So this will be my to-do list journal in which I will plan my day, what I'm gonna do today, what I'm gonna do tomorrow, okay. And in this I will plan my day, and this will be the tracker, okay. And like okay, I have these two, and by this way वी विल ट्रांसफॉर्म टुगेदर। आप चाहे तो इसमें भी लाइक जिस नोटबुक में आप बना रहे हैं ट्रैकर, उसमें ही अपना टू डू लिस्ट बना सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। उसी में अपना हैबिट्स लिख सकते हैं। बट आई हैव सो आई थॉट टू यूज़ इट। आई एक्चुअली मेड दिस इन 6th बट भूल ही गई थी मतलब, ठीक है। एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू जॉइन मी इन दिस जर्नी, सो सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू पोस्ट वन शॉट every day on my tracker. Well, I will tell what I learned and what I studied, okay, how I grew, and I will try to add a new element every day in the short in my series, and let's grow together, okay. So yeah, so subscribe to my channel because every short is coming, every day short is gonna come. And मैं अपना 11th की जर्नी भी दिखाती जाऊँगी फ्रॉम अप्रैल टू अगस्त। 11th की जर्नी, हाउ आई स्टडीड, हाउ आई एम डूइंग द जर्नल, हाउ this is happening on, okay. And one more thing, every 15 day, every 30 day, every 10 days a long video will come on how I grew in these 10 days, what I learned in these 10 days, and if it worked out in these 10 days or not, and how were the things for me in the 10 days, in the 30 days, in 1 month, in 2 month, and उसके बाद तो 120 डेज़ के बाद भी एक वीडियो आएगा इन हाउ आई स्पेंड ऑल दीज मंथ एंड हाउ प्रोडक्टिव आई वॉज एंड हाउ इट ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड माई लाइफ, ओके। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड, स्टे कंसिस्टेंट, साथ में ग्रो करते हैं एंड 11th भी फोड़ देंगे। और हाँ, पता नहीं रिज़ल्ट कब आएगा, तो रिज़ल्ट का वीडियो जब भी आएगा आई विल डेफिनेटली पोस्ट, ओके। बाय।